Good morning. Today is Friday, May 8th. Happy Friday. Let's go over our daily planner. For math today, we are going to continue on into Module 2 for classifying triangles. There's an awesome Nearpod lesson assigned to you, and then you're going to do a quick puzzle piece check-in after you're done with the Nearpod. Today in reading, we are going to continue on with Woods Runner, and you're going to continue to read chapter 15 and do the discussion thread. And I just wanted to note that I am a bit disappointed in the way that we are responding to the discussion threads. This is part of your assignments. Again, remember that your attendance is taken by the amount of times that you're checking in on Schoology and doing your work. And if you're not responding to the discussion threads, I don't know that you're doing your work. So like I said here in the third bullet, there will be an assessment next week to check on these last few chapters from this week. So that would be chapters 15, 14, 13, and 12. So I'm definitely putting together an assessment this weekend to check your comprehension because you are not completing the discussion threads. And that, like I said, I put on here, you guys, that's not okay. We have to work together as a team. I know that this is tough, but this is something that's extremely easy for you. I've noticed that. And so when we're skipping out on the easy stuff by just, we need that practice responding in those discussion threads, responding using evidence. And this is because our assessment, our summative assessment at the end of the trimester is going to reflect that practice that you're doing in the discussion thread. So please make sure that you are doing your job. Again, come to that 1 o'clock live meeting for the American Revolution Readers Theater. Those of you that are not attending, boys and girls, this is not an optional attendance. This is like you should be there at 1 o'clock. So I should see 100% attendance at 1 o'clock for the live meeting to hear Act 4. Again, we went through, you need to be responding to that discussion thread when we're done. That's part of the American Revolution's discussion thread. That's an assignment that goes along with Readers Theater. Continue to upload your real-time journal entries. Again, no new learning this week, just to get yourself caught up, especially in the area of science, where you are missing assignments in the area of science. Boys and girls, I can't reiterate enough. We are on May 8th. We have just a very few short weeks left before I do report cards. And if your assignment's not turned in, I cannot give you a grade. So remember, I can't just put NA. I'm going to have to put minimal progress. Like, you're making minimal progress towards the standard if you are not turning your work in. So make sure that you're taking this serious and that you are disciplining yourself or setting goals throughout the day so that you are completing your work. If you are having any questions or you are unable to complete something or you think it's even just a silly question, please stop in at my office hours from 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock. I've had some great success, especially today. I just want to give a shout out to Jaden, who showed up at the office hours today, and we completed a few assignments together in math. I helped him through. So that's awesome. That's what I'm there for. I can help you out during that time. So please come during those office hours if you need to. Otherwise, again, like I said, I'll see you at 1 o'clock for the Readers Theater, Act 4. Make sure that you check the schedule if you are the person that is actually sharing out today at Crossing the Delaware. All right, well, happy Friday, and I will see you at 1 o'clock.